In this video, I will show you how to create a new folder in Google Drive. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to drive.google.com. Just log into Google Drive using your Google account. On the Google Drive homepage, click New button. From the options, click New folder. In the pop-up, enter the name that you want to assign to a folder. Now click Create. This way we have successfully created a new folder in Google Drive root location. In case if you want to create a subfolder, then first open any folder in which you wish to create a new folder. Now click New button. From the options, click New folder. In the pop-up, enter the name that you want to assign to a folder and then click Create. And a subfolder will be created. So that is how you can create a new folder in Google Drive. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.